They've been seated in those comfortable seats for too long.
Wingnuts! Nee, my boetjie. Dis oor wat die baas sê.
Nie om nog baie politics te praat nie, but to remind you who you are.
Here's the news flash. Political prisoner Nelson Mandela has been released, and from today is free to participate in open and unrestricted political activities.
Fusie! My broertjie! My brother! Hey, man! Nee, man, kom! Kom sit sit.
Daai ding wat ek opgestaan het elke oggend en gedink, ding gaan my klaarmaak.
You see, this is how it's gonna be from now on. We eat together, we drink together, we smoke together, we stand together. Simonye!
Where I couldn't go to work anymore.
Yo, Jannie. Dis daarom jammer, dis nie nou 'n kamertjie om dit reg te fix jou nie.
Ek sê, sluit hom toe. Dit gaan help.
Level, like, waar is hy? Wat is dit? Moest jy hoor jy nie skaam wees nie met elkaar. En 'n roosterbroodjie man. Lekker roosterbroodjie en 'n